Oh, hey guys, this is Sarah Vapes, and I was just coming to you to let you know about NeilMed Sinus Relief. It's also a rinse. It's actually sinus rinse. I'm sorry, I had that wrong. But today I wanted to let you guys know that I've used this once before, and actually it was a neti pot that I used before, not a NeilMed. I'm sorry. And this time I tried the NeilMed Sinus Rinse, and of course, you could tell that I've got this really bad sinus infection going on. So I just used it, and I'm a lot clearer than I was beforehand. And I just want to let you guys know what all comes with the little sample pack, and it's not so little. And also how I received the sample pack. I went to NeilMed Sinus Rinse. I went to NeilMed.com, and basically I signed up for their free promotional sample, and anybody can do it. It's completely free. They send it straight to you. There's no shipping and handling. It is really awesome. You get one box like this, and inside the box is this bottle right here, and it shows you that you fill it up to this little line up here at the top with purified drinking water or water that you have boiled and let cool down. And then they've got one of these little pouches of the rinse medication, which is, it's like a sulfate of some sort. It's a sodium bicarbonate and chloride sodium that you put into the bottle. It's real simple. You just shake it up, let it get dissolved, and then you squirt it in one nose hole, and it comes out the other nose hole, and it clears out all of your sinuses. It runs all the way through. And you will not believe what comes out, because it is gross, and it's something that I would not do on camera because it is that gross. But I just want to let you guys know that you can hop on over, just Google NeilMed, and it'll show up under NeilMed, and you can go onto their website and apply for a free sample, and it's completely free. So that's all I have today for you. But tomorrow, if you're interested, I'm going to have how you can get a sample from Charmin. So if you'd like to know what that is or anything, just comment below. Click the subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.